Welcome to Hook to Knot. Recently, I was doing a major order of crochet men's shirts. So for last 2 months, it was only big projects, and then eventually I needed a break. I did this small coin pouch, and it was a 1 hour project. Fun doing it. Though it looks very small, it has got ample capacity to hold the many coins. See, I can put some more. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful coin pouch. And there is one surprise variety in that also. So let's get started. For making this coin pouch, what we will need is 4-ply cotton thread. I'm not using yarn because the thread will be little stronger. The strength of the pouch will be little more. Wool may not be able to hold that much weight, so I will prefer 4-ply cotton yarn. I will be using 3 mm crochet hook. Of course, my favorite pair of scissors, a darning needle, a stitch marker, and most importantly, I will need purse frames or clasps, that is what they are called as. They are available on Amazon. I will need some beads for this small tassel. Of course, we are going to need a polyester thread, not cotton one. And I have made one sample just to let you know how I'll proceed. So first step is always start, increase in the round, then one line of SC on SC, and then 15, 18, 20, whatever lines you want to do, all SC on SC, and this kind of pouch will be created. Now how much base to take, how to work in rounds, that everything I'm going to teach you. Once we are done with this kind of small bag, what we are going to do is we are going to open the clasp, put it on this, and then sew around the holes. I'll show you step by step. We will take this color and I will demonstrate how I do the start of the project. Make a magic ring. Chain 1. We have to do total 8 SCs in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After 8, I'm going to pull this in and close the loop and see how close I can get the stitches. After closing the loop, I am going to slip stitch into the very first single crochet that I had created. Now to ensure, just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now next round is chain 1, 2 SCs in the every SC, and I am going to put a stitch marker at the very first single crochet. That will help me to keep track of number of stitches. So line number 2 is 2 SCs in each space. We started with 8, we will have 16. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So I prefer to count my stitches after every line. Once you get hang of it, then you don't need to count. But till the time you understand whether you're going in the right direction or not, it's better to count after each line. So my first line is over. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now I will remove the stitch marker and I will make a slip stitch into this space. My first line is over. Again chain 1, single crochet in the same space, and I will put my stitch marker here. Now this line is single crochet 1, then increase. It means I will do 2 single crochets, then again 1 SC, 2 SC. This is how we will proceed, and at the end of this row we should have 24 number of stitches. Now I have reached at the very first stitch, slip stitch into this, and our line is over. Now let's check the number of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This joining stitch or slip stitch I do not count in the mathematics of the circle. Chain 1, single crochet. Now this is where we started. Then we had 2 SCs in the each space, then 2 1 2 1. Now we will have 2 1 1 2. Now if you see my pattern of doing it, I am not increasing at the same space. To keep the round shape of my work, I always increase in the next stitch of previous increase. So in the this last row we had increase after first. Now I'm doing 2 stitches and then increase. Two stitches, 2 single crochet and increase. Increase means putting an additional single crochet in the same space. So 2 single crochets and increase. This is how you will see my circle. You will not see any points of increase because I am not increasing at the same space. I am increasing diagonally. So every line, the shape will remain same, that is circle. Now for making this coin pouch, I will increase in between 5 SCs and increase to that level. This is how my base of the pouch will look. Now why only this much? There is a simple trick to understand it. So take the clasp, open it and put it on your base. You don't want more stitches. It has to fit in this. So increase 5 single crochet, increase is where I'm going to stop. So chain 1, SC on SC, no increase. Here onwards, no increase till we reach the desired height. See, it's very simple project. Just make a base circle, then onwards, no increase, SC on SC, and do the required height. That's where I'm going to stop. So I'm going to do around 18 to 20 rows and then I'll see how much height it has made and accordingly I will stop. When you make no increase, the stitches will start standing and eventually this shape will come. Total number of stitches in my circle are 56 and here onwards no change, no increase, no decrease, 56 SCs on 56 SCs till we reach the required height. And this is how my coin pouch will look finally. I have stopped my increase for the coin pouch after 8th row. So I have 56 stitches in all and I'll build the height on it. Now let me show you some mathematical fun with the project. What we need is 56 number of stitches. Not necessarily we can have round base every time. You can also have it rectangular or square. So how to go about it? I am talking only particular about this 8.5 centimeters clasp, and I am accommodating 56 stitches on it. So if I chain 28 and pick up SCs from both the sides, I will have 56 stitches. If I do 22 stitches wide, it means both the side 22, 22. And then I do 6 lines. So I will pick up 6 stitches from both the side. Again, it can give me 56. This I have done with 20 stitches. So this 20, this 20, 40 stitches. And I have done 8 lines. Again, I will be picking up 16 stitches from both the side. So again, I reached to 56. Now you can make 18 SCs, make 10 lines, still you will have the same combination, 16 SCs and 12 lines wide. Again, you can have same combination. And if you want the square base, you can have 14 stitches into 14 lines, which will again give you 56. So once again, look at this. I have done 20 stitches wide and 8 lines. So after 8th line is done, I started picking up the single crochets from side. Then I'll continue one side, then again 8 from this, and then again back to the other side. Till you need 56 single crochets for this project. Have fun! Thank you for watching this video. I'm coming up with one more variation in the same coin pouch. So keep watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.